Well, hello there everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Christy and you guessed it, it is time to cook. And today I am making a very easy, delicious, and healthy dish that is perfect this time of year because it's going to help us get back on track of eating right. So I am making a sweet and spicy, I couldn't almost get that out, sweet and spicy salmon bowl. And this one is so good because it has such a delicious peanut sauce that goes over it. This dish just really packs a punch of flavor. It is so, so good. It is also a great recipe. If you're one of those who likes to meal prep, this is great for that. And if you don't like salmon, you can always substitute the salmon with chicken and it works out great. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make this delicious sweet and spicy salmon bowl. So I'm using some fresh salmon fillets with the skin on. Now these were very large fillets, so I just cut them in half. And then you will also need around 2 cups of a finely shredded cabbage, 1/4 cup of chopped roasted peanuts, and 3 green onions that I have sliced. And then I'm going to juice this lime. You'll need some salt and pepper. And then to make the delicious peanut sauce, you'll need 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of a sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 garlic clove that you will mince, and then you will need some sweet chili sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons. And this here is the brand that I like to use. It's my favorite. I don't know how exactly to pronounce it, but if you have a different brand that you like, by all means use whatever you like, but you'll need some sweet chili sauce. And then this here is fresh ginger that I keep in my freezer. And I have a shorts video on how I peel and store ginger, but you will need 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. And then in my rice cooker here, I have some basmati rice, but you can also use jasmine or brown rice, whatever you prefer. And then I'm going to season the salmon with salt and pepper. So to a large skillet, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Then I'm going to place the salmon into the skillet, skin side down first. I'm going to let these cook for anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes till that skin gets nice and crispy. And to my cabbage, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to juice this lime. And I'm going to add almost all of these green onions. I'm going to save a little bit for garnish. And I'm just going to toss all this together. I'm going to turn the fillets over. And I'm going to let these cook for a couple more minutes on the flesh side down. To make the peanut sauce, I'm just going to combine all these ingredients into a bowl. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this peanut butter in the microwave for just about 30 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds, just until it's warm. It just kind of makes things easier to blend. So I'm going to add the sesame oil, rice vinegar, soy sauce. I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons of the sweet chili sauce. And I'm going to mince my garlic. And then I'm using a microplane here and I'm just going to zest some of this ginger. I'm going to take a whisk and I'm just going to whisk all this together. Okay, so I have everything out and I have my rice here in this beautiful bowl. So I'm going to show you just how to make this sweet and spicy salmon bowl. And then I'm also going to show you how to do the meal prep. I have some containers here, so I'm going to show you how to do that as well. cabbage, the salmon, that sauce. It goes perfect together. Oh, this flaky salmon is so good, and it's good for you. It is rich in B12 vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids. It's really hard to talk and eat at the same time. And then here is your meal prep, and as you can see, I put the cabbage in a separate dish because you're gonna put your salmon and rice in the microwave to heat that up, and you want to keep that cabbage nice and cold. So it's a nice little meal or lunch that you can take on the go. So this is so good, guys. I really do hope that you give this a try because it is just so scrumptious, healthy, delicious. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.